let me tell you a very interesting story from this book, Made to Stick. So, in the early 90s, one bag of popcorn in American movie theaters had 37 grams of saturated fat, which is a lot, apparently. Now, Art Silverman, who worked for the Center for Science and the Public Interest, his job was to inform the public that this bag of popcorn has 37 grams of saturated fat, which is very, very bad for your heart. So be careful. But the thing is, public को क्या ही पता 37 grams क्या होता है and how bad it is. I mean, it's just numbers and just data, right? So Art Silverman knew that going to the press with this number or releasing an ad with this number would have absolutely zero results, no impact at all. He came up with an idea. So he called a press conference and he put out two tables. On one table, he put bacon and eggs, one Big Mac and fries, and a steak. And on the other table, he put that one innocent little bag of popcorn. And when the press walked in, he said that the amount of saturated fat on that table combined is equal to the amount of saturated fat in that innocent looking bag of popcorn. Now that visual was obviously very dramatic and very shocking. And to see all that artery clogging food and that one bechara popcorn ka bag on the other side, and to know that ye dono same hai was a lot. So the press was shocked. They took a lot of pictures, and the next day they chapoed all those pictures everywhere. And obviously the public was also shocked, and there was huge impact. Now that is storytelling, right? In fact, this is what this book is about. How do you say something where people get the point or the mudda that you're trying to get at, and they also remember what you're saying? And a lot of the briefs that I get nowadays from corporates is exactly this: storytelling, where when people are talking to clients or they're giving a presentation to peers or even their bosses, how do they find the story in the data, and how do they present the data in storytelling format so that everybody understands the mudda ki ho kya raha hai, what does this data mean? It's very interesting, and it's fun doing those workshops. But if you are someone who wants to speak with impact and learn storytelling and make a point that is remembered, then you must read this book.